H2O, I'm hot.
He's hot.
Too hot, drip drop, climbing out of control. Hot in the atmosphere, melting H2O, I'm hot.
He's hot.
Too hot, drip drop, climbing out of control.
The seven seas are rising twice as fast as ever been recorded in decades past. Forecast soak shores all along the coast. Who knows what's in store when the waves encroach? And on another subject, Arctic ice is Earth's homegrown natural cooling device. It's melting too, which ain't good news when all that chillin' white's got the blues. See, ice is nice for reflectivity, bouncing back the sun's blazing energy. The albedo is perfect, a frozen flat surface rocket ricochet by my solar ray.
X-ray, gamma ray, infrared, ultraviolet.
Caliente CO2 traps and amplifies it. This positive feedback ain't so positive. Melted ice turns dark, no longer reflective. Heats up hotter, melting even more. Beware, there's a polar bear knocking at your
So
door.
hot in the atmosphere,
I'm feeling hot.
melting H2O,
I'm on.
He's hot.
too hot, drip drop, climbing out of control. Hot in the atmosphere,
I'm feeling hot.
melting H2O,
I'm on.
He's hot.
too hot, drip drop, climbing out of control.
Evaporate, precipitate, circulate. Evaporate, precipitate, circulate. Vapor can't escape the atmosphere.
Where does it go?
Heads back into the hydro.
Stop and roll. The higher the temp, the more the steam. Buckets dump from the cloud, torrential stream. Stormy weather, it's like a bad dream. Get it together, climate on caffeine. When it rains, it pours and floods the floors. The deluge don't seep or absorb too deep, cause the ground dried out, subterranean drought. Plants can't go without, I wanna scream and shout.
H2O, we go.
So hot in the atmosphere, melting H2O, I'm hot.
He's hot.
Too hot, drip drop, climbing out of control. Hot in the atmosphere, melting H2O, I'm hot.
He's hot.
Too hot, drip drop, climbing out of control.
The climate change naturally throughout time, but it's human fingerprints at the scene of this crime. We're breaking records, we're getting hotter. Gotta act now, gotta save our water. Chill out.